friends, I am Vinil. The words that we learn today are exercise and exorcise. Exercise is spelled as E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E. Exercise. Exercise is pronounced as exercise. Exercise is a verb. The meaning of exercise is engage in physical activity to sustain or improve health and fitness. Usage. Fitness goes digital as people turn to online workouts to follow their usual exercise. Playing itself is an exercise for kids and that keeps them physically active. To maintain good health requires good nutrition and a healthy dose of exercise. The other meaning for exercise is use or apply. Usage. Due to mobile games, kids have no mood to exercise patience. The police exercise their powers admirably in democratic countries. It is difficult for citizens to exercise rights in a surveillance state. Actually, there are no rights for citizens in such countries. Exercise synonyms: movement, effort, workout, training, sports, aerobics, bodybuilding, drilling, use, employ, practice, apply, implement, exert, wild. Antonyms are disuse, non-use, calm, confuse, quiet, settle, sorty. The other word is exorcise. Exorcise is spelled as E-X-O-R-C-I-S-E. Exorcise. It is pronounced as exorcise. Exorcise is a word. The meaning of exorcise is to expel or get rid of something. Usage. Gandhiji has exorcised her anger by cursing Krishna with the death of all the Yadavas. People are increasingly turning the spiritualism to exorcise negative emotions. There is a good deal of confusion as to whether it is better to exorcise or exercise one's memories. Synonyms: expel, rid, deliver, free, purify, cleanse, purge, lustrate. Antonyms are adapt, use, employ, welcome, embrace, retain, hold, keep. Confused? E or O. Exercise is a good habit that keeps us fit, or else be prepared to struggle later in life to exorcise fat. Let's revise the two words that we learned today. Let's end the video with a simple quote of the day. Exercise not only changes your body, it changes your mind, your attitude and your mood. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.